Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. We are manufacturers of pure handloom soft silk sarees and our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So in this video we are going to see double warp handloom soft silk sarees. We have 20 plus different collections and different color combinations. So please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we upload fresh collections. So all these are different color combinations and a different design, so please don't skip this video, watch this video fully for all the designs and color combos. So this is the first saree, a beautiful teal with yellow combination. With both sides you'll get this tissue border and a plain contrast blouse in green color. And next is a black with lemon green combination. All these puttas are woven in gold jari and the puttas comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree you will get these puttas. All are different color combos and a different puttas. So all these sarees in this video are tissue border collections. With both sides you will get the tissue border. A beautiful grey with pink combination. So these sarees are double warp sarees, purely handloom made soft silk sarees, which comes with SILKMARK certified. So please don't book the saree. If you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. All are very shining color combos. You can see these sarees in video call as well. We do have video call facility. So do contact us for any color confirmations. Also we are giving for wholesale and shop owners. So please do contact us and visit us directly for more collections. All these are our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our loom. So please don't miss these collections. They are very beautiful royal blue with green combination. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Book your favorite saree. We are dispatching on the same day the payment is made. So please do watch this video fully and book your saree.